we're back at it again with another low and slow garage video. Today we're tearing down the bottom end of the Ellis block because I'm getting ready for the end of this month to be sent off, get everything done, and hopefully we can start the series up next month with, you know, the bottom end. So as you can see right now, the car is back in the garage, getting the place heated up, and that's it. Oh, by the way, if you guys can, please go back, check out my last 4 videos, give me a like, just, you know, like, comment, subscribe. And for all my older channel people that's been here, can you please check your icon bells, because YouTube has been turning them off, so you guys don't know if I'm dropping videos or not. But I'm back and I'm dropping videos. Hopefully I can get some more videos out to you guys, but everything is in a slow process, but you just bear with me. You know how we do. But let me stop talking and let me go ahead and start getting the tools together for everything for this bottom end of this block. So as you can see right here, guys, I got variation of tools that I will be using for the job today. Starting right here with the Mac-On gun, we'll be using that. I bought a plastic hammer, a hard hammer, a punching tool slash a little, I guess like a little pick thing for you like to punch it out, just to, you know, punch the back of it. I'll show y'all. A marker. I couldn't find a white marker, which I'm getting ready to look for. It don't have to be a white marker, but it's got to be a marker indeed or something. Of course, you know this. And a couple of sockets. I got 15, 14, 13, and 10 millimeter sockets, guys. And the motor is right over here, which I will show you all in just a second. So I also got me a box, so that way I can put my pistons in. So when I take them out, they can go right directly into that box. But what I want to tell you guys is the reason why I went ahead and got, you need a marker for you to label your pistons, because they come out in firing order, so that way when you put them back in, if you're going to reuse them again, or you ever had to reuse them again, you can go ahead and just label them on the top for your firing order, so that way you know, just in case if you wasn't going to use pistons again. But in this case, I'm not using my pistons again, but I will save them for whatever future projects I do have coming up. If I do got another LS and just doing a junkyard build and pistons bad, why not use one of my old pistons from this? But let me get one more of the tool, because I gotta turn it so I can crank it so I can label it. Let me look at my firing orders, or harmonic balancer, I'm sorry, for this harmonic balancer bolt, so when I go to turn it, so where you see the pistons going up and down. I'll show you guys in just a second, I'm sorry. Okay, so I just want to show you guys real quick how the way the firing order is. So this is cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's how the cylinders go in on this block. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna rotate this accordingly, like so, until it gets to cylinder 1. Okay. So as you can see, like cylinder 1 right here at the top. So I'm going to take my marker and put a 1, like so. And then I'm gonna keep on going, etc., etc. When I'm done, I'll show y'all what I mean. So as you can see how I got the cylinders labeled, like I got 2, 4, 6, and 8 on this side, and I got, see, on this side is 1, 3, 5, 7 on that side. Now you don't have to use this marker. You can use anything that comes off. I mean, pretty much markers come off. You can use rubbing alcohol to take off the markers off top of this. It's not that serious as long as it comes off. But apparently I didn't need this then. Well, at least not yet, but I am still going to label it just in case. So now, since that's done, I got to take the motor now and flip it over, and we go from there. So now that I got the motor turned over, we're going to start taking off this oil pan once again. It's not hard. You see me do it before. So turn you guys back on once the oil pan is off. Alright guys, so next after you take off the oil pan, you gotta get this windage tray out. And I believe this is another 10 millimeter, maybe 14. I'll get back with you in just a minute to clarify what bolt it is to take them out. I mean socket, my bad guys. I said bolt, I meant socket. And I think this is a 13 to take them out. So it was 10 to take off the bolts for the oil pan, 13 to take out this windage tray. And here is our lovely crank. I'm gonna go from front to back. Put my socket onto the front of the harmonic balancer bolt, spin it until it comes dead top center, which I'll show y'all what I mean, and start taking it off one by one like that. And from there, we're gonna check bearings and see how the bearings look. So, as you guys can see, this bearing looks fairly okay. I mean, oh no. There's a little bit of scarring, but not much. Yeah, but I don't know. I don't know if you guys can catch that to the camera. But it's like a little bit of scarring, but it's like going that way. Well, I'm gonna inspect the bottom of it and see how it looks. Looks alright. So what I'm gonna do now is take this and tap it out. So I'm gonna take this in. Try to catch it down here. There. Oh shoot, as you can see, this bearing came right off. So I mean, that's how that bearing looks. So this right here I just did, I nicked it a little bit, but this bearing seems like it's okay. So that's a plus. So this piston, it's seen better days. I mean, it's like any other piston. It's burnt out. It's you can clearly see the wear right there from the friction going up and down like so. And this is piston number 1. For the most part, like I said, I'm gonna continue to keep doing this. If I get to any bad ones or anything's bad, I'll show you guys. But for the most part, yeah, and continue to go through with it. So took all the pistons out. They seem to be fairly good. I mean, there's no problems. I mean, the walls look alright as far as what I can see. You know what? My inside, me telling me to leave this in here so that way let the machine shop deal with it as they please. But let's see if I can check all this while we're here. I mean, for the most part, it just looks like it's alright. No scoring, no nothing. No, never mind. But maybe they can sand that down. Yeah, you can see like a line. So this one right here, it's got like a little line right there going across. I'm letting my machinist look at it. I mean, I could go more into it and take this off, but I don't want to risk destroying this, so I'd rather leave all that attached and let them finish charging me what they're going to charge me. Oh look, another gasket piece. And these are the pistons. So I just want to show you that before I close out this video, what condition they look like and whatnot. So we already did cylinders 1 and 2. This is cylinder 3. I mean, it's like normal wear and tear. Rings, no course dirt. It's just basically gotta be cleaned up, but I won't be using them again. The bearing, it's got like a little scuff in it, but the vibration is going back and forth. So I don't know. Piston 4 looks the same. Of course, piston 5 looks the same. 6, 7, and 8. Like I said, it's just like a lot of carbon buildup for real, but that's it for today, guys. I mean, sorry I didn't get into it no more for today. I'm going to leave the rest up to my engine builder because I really want him to see that crankshaft. And if I take that out of here now, I don't want to bent up that back end. So, like, leave a comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. You know how we do. Low and Slow Garage. I appreciate you guys. And to all my new people that's coming and watching, stay tuned for the build. We have a 240 to build. Later, guys.